Here, back for another update. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this coin over here. It's called Dero. One of my members suggested it, and they told me to take a look at it to do some analysis. And I thought I should show you guys this setup because this setup, it actually looks like it's coming out of the manipulation phase within our accumulation schematic. This over here is your falling wedge pattern right over here, right? And like I say in my previous videos, whenever you have a pattern, and especially in highly over leveraged markets, you tend to see a overthrow of that pattern. You start to form a trading range at the lows, and then you oscillate within here, and then you have a nice pop to the upside. This over here, this deviation below the pattern would be considered your manipulation. And that's usually where all the smart money enters. And we can get more confluence of that by using the fibs down from our March 2020 bear market bottom to the high in 2021. You see how we perfectly hit the 70.2% fib? Now there always is a possibility that we just come and wick down towards the 78.6% fib right over here. But if you go below this level, then that would be a bullish invalidation. However, we do have a very nice SR flip off this historical resistance that we've been using in the past. You see how many times we use this here? Back before the 2020 bull market, we used it as resistance here, but we never really came back to tap it as support, but we did so here in 2024. Now, when we delete everything on this chart, we can see that this over here is your trading range, and you can see, like just like in my Kava update, I was showing you that there is a concerted effort to keep the price down below these range highs, right over here, right over here. Here, you see how there's a concerted effort to keep it down, and this range actually lasted a little bit north of 1,000 days before we had the drop-off point. So this is 634 days, but from the start to the manipulation level, that's about 1,000 days. Yeah. So what this looks like is this. So I'll go over here so you guys can see better, but this is what it looks like. On the weekly time frame, we have bullish divergence, and we have 3 sweeps. So I noticed that when you have, or what I like to call them is I like to call it 3 floors. And when you notice ranging like price action, and then you have your first floor, like your first floor is here, your second floor, and then you have your third floor, and then the price just consolidates here at the lows. So this over here is your trading range, or you can even call it your no panic zone, because I know it's very hard not to panic within a trading range like this because it's so down from the highs. But we can see here that this falling wedge, it has actually been going on for a little bit over 1,000 days. Okay. So something like this, right? And we'll make this dotted, so just so I can put more emphasis on the trading range rather than this falling wedge. Okay. So I think it can get to above the range highs towards the 70.2 to 78.6% fib at 15 and 17x, and I do believe that it will come towards the value area high of this range. So what we're going to do is just take a fixed range volume profile tool from the start of the range down up to here, like we'll put it like right there. Okay, so the value area high is sitting right here. Okay. This is your value area high, and then this is your POC. So basically all we're doing is we're just measuring the volume. We're analyzing the volume from this point up to this drop-off point before we have the move down into your manipulation phase. Okay, and then this is the POC right here. Okay, so this is your, remember what I said, like in my Kava video, I was showing you that all cryptos do this. It has your, you have your accumulation phase, your manipulation, right? And then you have your distribution with the possibility of a sweep of the trading range towards the 78.6% fib. Okay, this over here would be your stop. So I think you can, I think it can come up for a C wave, because what this looks like is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 within your A, or 1, right? And then what you have is a WXY correction within your B or 2. And now we're coming up for a C or 3. And this over here would be the interim target. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to stay updated, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord, an amazing community that you guys can be a part of. You get all of these coins over here, 350 assets you guys can take a look at. You guys can ask me any question you want. And yeah, click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Looking forward to seeing you all in here. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.